Coates 9100 coming at you. I guess my alternator or something's messing up here. Voltage regulator. It's reading 17 point something volts, and it should only be putting out about 14 point something with the truck running. I don't know if it's the alternator or what, but the lights are really bright in here, the dash lights where the clock is. So it's either the alternator, I'm thinking, or the voltage regulator or something. Even this is over in the red. That's volts right there. That shouldn't be reading, let me step on the gas. That shouldn't be reading that many volts. Should be about 14 something. 14.2 to 14.4 or something. And this gauge was going more over towards the C, but it's in the middle now. Oh, it's going back over again. That gauge right there is moving. The battery gauge was going more over towards the C right there. Let me know what you guys think. It could be an alternator or voltage regulator. I put that alternator on too. I put that alternator on new. I made a video of it. I know I put that on in, where was I? I was in Lake City, Florida. That shouldn't be reading that much. Something's not right. Alright, talk to you guys later.